Morning Year 7. I've decided this week to do my first assembly. I'm sorry I've not done them before, there's various reasons for that, but I thought today we'd have a celebration assembly of what you've been doing this since we've shut in March. So this is kind of Year 7 celebration assembly. I'm sorry that I can't do it like I did when you were in school, when I got you down to the front and gave certificates and gave you prizes and such. It's just going to have to be my face on the screen telling you you've done well is good enough. I've got Mrs. Hancock filming today, so it'll be really good, like having Steven Spielberg behind the camera. So it should be a really nice video just to end the year on and celebrate who's been doing well since school's been closed. On that note, I hope you've been doing fine. I can remember in April thinking, we'll be back in June, so I'll be able to see you all again. That's not been the case, unfortunately. So I really hope that in the last 4 months you've done some schoolwork, but you've also been keeping well, keeping safe, in all sense of the word, and just making the best of a bad situation. So, going on to celebrations, I've got 3 names to start with who have really excelled. I don't know if you're aware of this, but every week I've had teachers sending in names of children who've been doing well week in, week out. And these 3 names are the ones that have come up the most. I apologise, I can't say the second name, so it'll just be your first name and then the first letter of your surname. I hope you can figure out who you are. So, number 1, the student with the highest nominations of all since we're closed is Charlie D. I hope you know who you are, Charlie D, because I have emailed you and your mum quite a lot, so hopefully you can figure out that I'm talking to you, and you've done really well. The most nominations of all Year 7, so fantastic work week in, week out. The second highest is Abigail C. Again, every single week without fail, I've got several members of staff emailing saying you've been doing fantastic projects, work, English work, some food tech things, well done. And then Mr. Batchelor just asked if I can have a student manager award, and his student manager award goes to Daniel Lee S. So well done to you. Really high achievement points and really been cracking on with work during lockdown. So now we'll come on to some celebrations of subjects. So I've asked all your teachers to email me some names of students that have done really well in particular subjects. So I'm just going to go through the subjects and the names of students who have been nominated. Right, so we'll start off with English. We've had some fantastic work from English, some fantastic projects coming in. The Shakespeare project, I can't believe how many of you have sent in your model globes. Not just that, but your Hunger Games booklets, you've done really well. And just from a personal point of view as an English teacher, I want to praise those of you that have been sending work in. But your teachers have nominated, and we've got the following students who have received a celebration for English. Daniel H, Nadia S, George L, Jessica A, Warren B, Olivia H, Charlotte J, Georgina J, Ruby S. Well done. A couple from maths, we've got George L and Warren B again, so these names coming up again and again. Science, we've got Thomas G, Olivia H, Charlie D, Harry H, Titus K, Aidan T, Abigail C, Leon T and Cooper L. Well done. History, a couple of nominations again, some names that have repeated, Poppy W and Daniel H. Hospitality and catering, we've got Aidan E and Faith Price. I have also seen some fantastic food projects over the last few weeks that have really inspired me to do some cooking on the Netherwood newsletter. Spanish, well done to Poppy W and Aidan Egbury. If I could say well done in Spanish, I would. I think it's muy bueno or something like that I'll have to do. Music, Ben H and Abigail C. Geography, Freya P and Caden M. Caden M, your brother has not sent me anything for his Year 10 work, so I'm talking to you now. Well done, Caden M. Art, we've got Faith P. Some really fantastic artwork, your art teacher said well done. And then from computer science, Poppy W. There's been some names that have come up again and again there, and it's fantastic to see that some students have been just consistently handing work in and doing as well as they can. That's it from me for celebration. I do hope this was okay for you. I want you to have a fantastic summer, especially now that restrictions are starting to ease. You can do a lot more. I want you to have a really relaxing summer, make the most of it, and we'll see you again in September with whatever that will look like. Thank you, Year 7.